Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to set up email notifications using FormConnect to receive form responses directly in your inbox. First, open Google Forms and select the form you'd like to receive notifications for. Click the add-on icon at the top and choose FormConnect from the list. Click Start to launch the main view and access all features. Today, we'll set up the email notifications feature, so let's go ahead and click on it. Here, you can enter the email address where you want notifications to be sent. Then select Responder Identification from the list of form questions. FormConnect automatically fills in your email address, so you only need to select a responder identifier, like their name or email, from the drop-down list. Once you've set these preferences, click Save to finalize the setup. Now let's test it out. I'll open the form, fill it out, and submit my response. Now, let's check the inbox for a notification email. And here it is, a beautifully formatted email notification from FormConnect. The form responses are clear, organized, and easy to view. With FormConnect's email notifications feature, staying updated on your form responses has never been easier. Try it out today to streamline your form management. To learn more, visit us at your website URL or download FormConnect today from the Google Workspace Marketplace.